So this thing failed. It bended over and it made a lot of noise. This is the second try. I hope this works better. And I spotted a problem, so I need to make another part. This is the second part I needed to make because I spotted a problem. The oil catcher could not ever put the oil in the oil receiving cup. So my idea was great. The distance is good enough, so oil can come up here and walk this way and drop past. Maybe I need to skim a little bit off the corner, but then this happened. It broke free. So got to do it again. Second time gluing this. Together now with a little bit more material at the back, hoping this time it will stick. So this is the third try to make this piece. Fits nicely. Scrubs a little. It's, I hope, enough, and otherwise I need to bend it a little more. So let's go on.